everyone. Day 2 out in the field. I had to load the runoff before from last night. Got stuck in the mud. Started suck. Off at 10:20. Back at it 6:45 in the morning. Probably been another long day today. It's supposed to rain tomorrow on here.
Keep going.
Nice and sunny out. Yep. Hey, this is me. Hey, what's up? Now you got to see the Facebook on John Darcy's TV, John Darcy 13 TV. So yeah, got some big whoops out here, really bad in these sections. Normally it's pretty good, but if I can hit another one right away, probably. Yeah.
Back up a little bit.
It looks like we got a truck stuck up in front of us. Exactly what happened to me last night. A little damp still, I guess. And if it rains tomorrow, it's gonna suck, man. But we'll play it by ear. This is the old 89 International driving, the dual cassette player. But it gets Hot 103 or Virgin 103 FM out here. Still not bad. That's pretty much it for right now. I'll take a couple of videos later of me driving. Hey, what's up, everyone? Back again.
This is Gordon on that truck.
And yeah, I don't know what's going on here. I'll be back in a bit. Yeah, I guess there's a truck stuck up there. Yeah, another day. It's nice out today still. I see some hills back there in the mirror. This guy looks like he's drunk. Driving with the potatoes, man. This is Victor from Winkler. Some people out here. See, so when you eat your French fries, your mashed potatoes, this is where you get them from.
Move away a little bit.
Oh, this guy's Victor right here. Hey, what's up? There you go. And that's basically it.
And back up, I'll never make it to you.
I'll be on a little bit later. This afternoon I'll probably do a full run of the trip to where I drop off the potatoes. Alright. Well, enjoy John Darcy 13 TV. Subscribe. Peace out. Well, back again shortly after. That's what happens when you get mud. Yes, I'm also stuck too. All three of us are stuck in this pit. He's really stuck. He's stuck. 2 automatics is standard. All stuck. Hey, if you look, there look like mountains over there, right? But they're not. They're just hills. So now we have to sit here probably for like an hour waiting for someone to pull us out. Let's see what happens. Yippers. Oh. Talk to you later.